Hi, Randall.
Hi, Flapper.
How are you?
Good, good.
That's good to hear. And what do we have today?
I look like you have some Chinese food, Flapper.
We have some Japanese food.
Japanese?
Yes. And what is in front of you?
I don't have a clue, Flapper. I don't have a clue. Man, I know say that the one look like a rice. Some soft rice with any roll up something.
So
See?
out of everything, you only know the rice.
Yes.
Okay.
And this look like plant or something,
But
or banana or something.
That is?
Oh no, rice stuff in there, Flapper. Flapper, tell me if I don't know, Flapper.
Okay, so we have shrimp tempura rolls.
Shrimp what?
Shrimp tempura rolls.
Shrimp tempura
Rolls.
rolls. So you get, wait, Japanese that?
And then we have some avocado rolls.
Avocado roll.
Avocado rolls.
Wait, so avocado? Mm-hmm. That's what we call pear?
Yes. And then we have, as you told me the other day, you told me that I like to flip everything upside down. So today we have a Jamaican roll, which is ackee and saltfish roll.
What?
A Jamaican roll.
Jamaican roll.
Yes.
Roll dumping and fish. You roll dumping and fish, Flapper. In a fish?
No, it's just ackee and saltfish, the national dish, wrapped in like seaweed and rice.
Seaweed and rice.
Why does that look like it just stressed you out?
Yeah, because I've been never seen something in my barn, Flapper. So seaweed,
The confusion.
So Flapper.
Yes, Ranford? Randall?
So, tell me something now.
Yes.
How you make this, Flapper?
I bought actually that's a good question. I bought a kit. It's like a full sushi kit. It gives you everything you need, the things to roll it, the things to cut it. They even gave me 4 or 5 chopsticks. I'm gonna make a video and actually link it so people can go and get it. Why are you pushing the chopsticks?
Because and me I use with this, Flapper. I mean, that chopstick there.
Daddy, you can't just try one.
Flapper, if me try, I always joke na me.
No, these are easier to pick up than the other stuff that you had.
Flapper,
I promise.
All right, me try one time. I say if you don't work, Flapper, me hand me I use it. Don't wash me down already.
No problem. I figured you'd have an issue.
So you say you have a special thing to make them a Flapper.
Yes, it's a full kit.
So you show for them I look like when you're gonna
It looks professional.
Mandarin restaurant in Flapper.
It looks professional.
Cause me I watch it in Flapper.
Professional.
But I just say the avocado and the ackee and saltfish in this and that's why me I wonder in Flapper. So Flapper.
Yes, Randall?
What you say now?
Okay, so shrimp tempura rolls, avocado roll, and Jamaican roll. And then to dip it in, we have homemade spicy mayo. And then we have soy sauce.
Then soy sauce I my gravy?
No, that's what people normally dip it in. Just don't dip the ackee and saltfish roll, please.
Flapper, me I try it now, Flapper. Me I try it now. After Flapper, me not use this, you know.
Just try one.
No. Alright.
One. Mm-hmm. Daddy, you know that's not how it's used.
Yes, but Flapper.
Like a pencil. There we go. There we go. But you just took up the avocado.
You see that, Flapper?
Because you have to pinch everything. Okay, there we go. Period. Not throwing it in your mouth.
But Flapper.
Yes, Randall?
Something more in this man. Like fish in it.
No, that one is just the avocado roll. The one at the front.
But I sauce is like
I made a spicy mayo and I use an oyster sauce to drizzle.
Oh, I know that, man.
Okay, look at you. Daddy.
Papa,
No, I was gonna say you could just use your hand.
Let me do what I can do, man.
That's okay.
Papa? Papa, me say.
You want to try the other one?
No, the one that me no want to try it and then me no like it man because that one that is nice. Papa, don't tell me how to eat the food, Papa.
I have nothing to say.
Me? Sorry, yeah. This have it when you color chicken. And then you throw
No, that's
color
what
cake.
everybody eats it with.
Yeah?
Who bites sushi? That's so sure.
Okay. Not me.
Okay, so you like my homemade spicy mayo better?
You want me to
I'm sorry.
Oh.
Exactly. That's right. I the world. This came along.
The flapper,
Yes, Rondo.
you say this is a Jamaican roll. Sit a drop there. After your sausage.
I cannot.
Flapper, after your sausage, you like feel hard, but you're right, see you here. You see, when you treat me good like this, you know, me no want, you see, you just want any work. That's why that's spicy go flapper.
That's why I told you you don't have to dip it. You know you're a real big back. You're a real big back because I gave you 15 pieces of sushi. I didn't expect you to eat all of them. Real big back, but continue.
Flapper.
Yes, Daddy. Randall.
Papa. Can't rub it tonight, no? Can't rub it tonight, Papa. You see, you're full of paper, Papa. Can't rub it tonight, Papa. Papa, me can't rub it tonight, Papa. You know what I get from? 10.
Period.
10. So you know what me why me get 10?
Why not 20?
See? If me give 9 points this, you question it. 9 points that, you question it. No, me say, me know say what we always say something else in the Papa. Papa 10 is here. At 10. I mean 10 and cut. Papa, get bad. It's safe. Me never expect it, Papa, for you to turn up and down. You understand me?
The Jamaican roll is given.
Yeah, but Jamaican roll. We didn't make Jamaican roll, Papa.
I told you, it's just a national dish, ackee and saltfish, the same rice and the same seaweed.
You never hear about that before, you know?
No, I saw it on Instagram yesterday.
Yeah?
And I'm like, oh, I have to make this. I ate 3 of them before you came.
Papa, you don't want to greedy no more of one.
Daddy, you might as well. You ate 14. Real big back.
Papa, you know you should me greedy. I should me spoil.
So wait, you don't want me to, you were supposed to eat like 2 from each. You ate 14 rolls and you're saying you don't want to look greedy?
No, but you're me greedy and spoil and
Alright, me turn off the camera. Nobody knows to say eat 15.
Yeah, because you're me greedy and spoil and craving. You understand me?
Okay, I'm going to turn the camera
Oh, you turn off it. I hope you turn off it never pass like me. My seat may have fall out.
Real big back. Big back, big back.
Mr. Flapper. Mr. I can't get Flapper. You're happy.
I wanted a 20, but...
No. Flapper, 10. 10 again. 10. No, let's sit down.
15 pieces. Big back, big
Papa.
back.
Papa, no way you treat me no help. Ah, tonight, Jack. Must be my bed tonight. There is more sushi. Papa, may I tell you, say, you can cook, Papa.
Oh, thank you.
That's the same thing I give Papa.
Okay.
No, no, I still didn't give Papa.
I feel like you should have gotten
No.
like 20 because you didn't like sushi before and
10 is a mark. Because it's spicy.
Hmm.
You understand me?
I should have gotten 20, but okay.
No, 10 is a mark, Papa. If you get
That's an amazing mark.
Then you have to say 120, Papa.
Cause overachieving.
Papa, 10. I remember them tell you, cut man 10. You have some video song. To me,
Big back.
You Papa, you see you? You set me up, Papa. Papa, you set me up. So, Papa,
Yes, Randall.
you say this is a Jamaican roll. Sit a drop there. After your sausage.
I cannot.
Papa, after your sausage, me like feel like but you're right thing with you. You see? When you treat me good like this, you know, me no want, you see, you just want any work. You want to spice it up, Papa.
That's why I told you you don't have to dip it. Daddy, you know you're a real big back. You're a real big back because I gave you 15 pieces of sushi. I didn't expect you to eat all of them. Real big back, but continue.
Papa,
Yes, Daddy. Randall.
Papa. Can't rub it tonight, no? Can't rub it tonight, Papa. You see, you're full of paper, Papa. Can't rub it tonight, Papa. Papa, me can't rub it tonight, Papa. You know what? If I get 10,
What?
10.
Period.
10.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you know ask me why me get 10.
Why not 20?
See? If me give 9 points this, you question it. 9 points that, you question it. No, me say, me know say what I was something else in the Papa. Papa, 10 sushi here. At 10. I mean, 10 and cut.